Hi guys, I'm gonna try a entirely new tool today. I've never heard about it ever until a couple of minutes ago, and I do a lot of reviews about AI writing tools, Jasper, Scalenut. You have videos in the history here, and then you can read my reviews on them. But I was always wondering, I mean, this must be a really big deal, right? I mean, Jasper AI now has been valued at 125 million. Sorry, it's got funded 125 million and it's valued at 1.5 billion. I thought that's huge. People are pouring money into a company that just writes a lot of text. Why? And it got me thinking. Of course, I should have done this before, but I'm doing it now. What are the competitors? I mean, who else exists in the market? I knew ScaleNet from before, and I've done a review on it. But I've now stumbled on something called as Writesonic. I have no idea, never heard it before, but I was just doing my keyword research and I stumbled on it by accident. So let's review it together. I've just signed up a free trial version, I suppose. Let's explore this new tool together and let's see if how good this is and how it compares to Jasper. Again, completely unedited raw video, just because I want you to have the same experience that I do while I try this tool out. Okay, let's jump into it. Hello there, right, Sonic? I've just signed in. I have nothing here yet, and I can see, I mean, that's my Hrefs plugin that basically says it's a decent website. Let's turn that off. Let's create a new project. So I'm going to say Ilum first. I just typed it. Okay. What do I want to write about? Okay, I don't have the long form plan, but let's test something basically. Let's do Cora answer, and then maybe we can compare Jasper and uh, Writesonic side by side. What do you think? Okay, let's look at Quora. Let's maybe pick a question here on Quora. Let's try and answer this question. Let's take that question because I use that. So okay. And just so you know, Jasper has a Chrome extension which lets you type within any window you like. That's interesting. So I can use Jasper on Writesonic. What do I want to focus on? I'd say AI. Focus on learning more about AI. It is shaping our world in ways we don't comprehend yet. Not knowing enough might lead us to be outdated. All. Let me just leave it there. I'm going to give the same exact input uh, on Jasper. Jasper obviously has a limitation of 80. Let's say, let me, so I'm gonna click that. Okay, on Writesonic, I can choose quality type premium. Okay, let me go with one. I think I have a limit of 2,500 words. I don't want to waste it. So maybe I do two outputs here, and I would do two outputs on Jasper as well. So let's go. Jasper, go. Writesonic, go. It's interesting. I mean, I forgive AI from time to time does show signs of that, and it's being overused. People are too busy, stuff like that. Okay. Jasper AI has a couple of answers. Writesonic has a couple of answers. Okay, let's look at what Writesonic has. Let me just- Okay, that's fine. I would probably give it 3 star. One should learn more. I would probably give it 1 star because it's really not a rich answer. Let's look at what Jasper has. Okay, I think that's okay. That's a good answer. Okay, I like the answers from Jasper, even though I only gave it 80 inputs. But I think, to be fair, I've been using Jasper for a while, so Jasper does understand me a little more than, actually a lot more than other AIs, so I do understand why Jasper gives me better answers. But let's try another query again and see how they compare. Let's maybe try something else. What should we try? Let's do pros and cons. Okay, thank you for reminding. I'm going to run out of words soon, so I have to be careful with what I ask Writesonic to do. Let's do bullet point answers. Let's do the same, but let's maybe ask for it to do 5. What 5 skills should you focus as a IT professional, as a software engineer? Sorry, this is my field, guys, so sorry if you don't relate with it, but it helps me compare the answers. I'm going to turn off Jasper for this side. I think this is well, not the best UI layout if I cannot see what I'm typing. Let's ask the same question on Jasper, but it's a template called as listicle. Let's do that. List of count 5. Who do I want this to? Quality type premium. Let's see what else. Okay. I could choose. Why would I want anything less than the best? So I don't understand this, but maybe I lack education. And here, helpful for writers. Of course, this is for software engineers, so this is for them. Okay, let's go with maybe 2 variants. Jasper tends to write long form sometimes for this, so I'm going to go with 1 and Writesonic go. Let's see what Jasper has. Okay, here it has 3 variants. I guess that's what I asked it to do. Programming algorithms. Okay. Okay, it's given me 3, which I would think is not bad. But let's compare that to what Jasper does. Wow, what do you have there? Jasper has given me an entire blog post. You know what? I'm actually going to take that. It's I'm going to open that into a long form document because I think this is maybe even a blog already. That's 316 words, and I could spend 5 minutes and make this into a blog post. Well done, Jasper. And again, I think Writesonic is still trying to understand me. So I would maybe let's maybe try. Let's do economy and then see what it comes. What comes here for this particular option? Uh-huh. What was the unsafe content? I still don't understand. Let's just say it got it wrong this time, and let's try it again. Okay, yep. Looks like it was a glitch. And you see, with economy, you get more words. So I guess you kind of use different tiering of how many algorithms you trigger within this AI engine for you to get the answer. But I mean, honestly, it doesn't look dramatically, different from the previous set of answers that you got. But again, let's not give up on this yet. Let's try another template. Let's do something that's comparable. Okay, let's do YouTube intros, because that is directly comparable template. So let's I think Jasper has something that probably has the same name. I think video script hook and intro. Yep. Okay. So let's use the same intro here. Helpful um, tone of voice. I want to sound like a software engineering expert. I mean, that's how I want to sound like, right? I mean, when I talk about the 5 skills that people should gain in the next year or focus on next year. Okay, the same title, video hook, technology is evolving at breakneck speed, especially in software engineering. Here are the 5 skills you should focus in 2023 to stay ahead of the curve. I mean, honestly, I think that's a decent introduction from myself as well. What do I want to sound like? I want to sound, let's give the same inputs to both. Let's say I'm a software engineering expert. I don't quite know if it understands this tone, but let's try this. So, I mean, I want to sound premium. I mean, if I'm going to sound like an expert, I don't want to use economy. Okay, let's go. Generate, generate. I'm on the boss mode here. I think on the focus mode. Sorry, what mode is this? I forget it. Yeah. Sorry, I'm on the power mode here, which allows me to use multiple templates. So I'm going to get my output here. Okay, the hook is in this video. I'm going to talk about five. Hey, my name is Jaja. Actually think that's a good input. I love that. And let's see what Writesonic has. That literally just used mine. Okay, it really added that. In the first one, I actually give it maybe 2 stars. That is better. That's about the same. So, I mean, I do think this seems to be learning from me. But let's maybe do the same on economy and let's see how that works. Right, Sonic seems pretty impressive at the outset in some of the modules. I mean, my impression is I think the more you learn to work with the software, it's going to get better. Economy, I think it kind of seems to be on a budget here. I think it's okay. I mean, sorry, I'm reading while I'm talking to you guys, so I'm not focusing 100%, but I think I've written a lot, so I can quickly grasp what the text says. It's decent enough for AI outcomes. Website Gov. The one that I would be really interested in seeing if this has a blog post outline or something like this. Let's see. Okay, let's use the same topic and see what they do. I'm going to use economy. Let me do one output just for me to see what's coming from Writesonic. Is it good? Okay, this is giving how to score, 5 scale. That's okay. Let's do 2 more variations. Sorry, 3 more variations and see for software and developers for the future of. I think that's okay. The skill list. Okay. I think it's trying to create a catchy phrase. I think that's good. That's not so good. I think that's fine. Okay, I think this is fine. Let's see what titles. I think the equivalent template in Jasper is blog post topic ideas. So I can say that. I can say that. I mean, I'm lazy. I'm not going to type a number of different things. I'm just going to simply say. Blog post topic ideas. Where are you? Here. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say software engineers creative, and Jasper asks you for some examples. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and give this an example. I'm just lazy enough uh, to not type again. So let's go. Let's maybe ask two variants from Jasper to see what actually instantly like the Jasper's outputs better. Okay, so that's another module. Let's see if there are other modules that we should try. Okay, let's do an article intro. Let's do economy first. Is there an equivalent template in Jasper? I would use this. Or actually, I would use a template called command. Actually, it literally just executes what you want. I'm going to say write an introduction for a blog with the about title. Okay, let's go with both. Generate content variant 1. Go. Oops. Glad I didn't create 11 versions of it. I don't understand the first one. I get the message, but it seems to be going all over. I think it's mixed. It looks some of these sentences look good, some of them look like they've been copy pasted from somewhere else. Okay, I mean I wouldn't call that bad. I think if I took that, I wouldn't need to do some work myself. Let's look at what Jasper has for this. Okay, I think this is a good introduction. What I would do is I would still need to edit this. I kind of take this and then make 5 bullets out of the skills that Jasper's listed here. Algorithm data structures, writing efficient, I mean, which helps write efficient codes. It talks about the skill and how it helps you. The first is algorithm data structures. The second one is computer architecture. Third is understanding SDLC. The fourth is security. Fifth is big data. I think this is good. I mean, if I was going to target this at, let's say, a certain set of developers, let's say security engineers or infrastructure engineers or software testers, I would, of course, tweak this. But I think at the outset, it does look like Jasper understands the topic more than Writesonic does. But I will reserve my comments. We will do more comparisons. We will probably see if we can also bring ScaleNet into the play here and see how they compare against each other. But if you liked what you saw, do subscribe and share. And I've added a link for a free trial of Jasper AI. You can try Jasper AI free for 7 days and you can write 10,000 words with it. And if you love what you see, I've also added another video to say, to help you decide which plan might work best for you, depending on where you are with your writing career. So thank you guys, and let's see in another video on more functionalities of Writesonic, Jasper, ScaleNet, and Copywriter, and Quillbot, and everything else that's shaping the writing of the future. All right, thank you guys. Bye.